Today I'm going to show you how to use the Labs feature in Microsoft Copilot. So we're using the Copilot app, and this is not Microsoft 365 Copilot, this is the chat bot essentially. What we want to do on the left hand side, you'll see the Copilot icon. You want to go ahead, just next to that there is the open sidebar button. Right at the top you will see Labs, and here you can discover experimental AI initiatives. Now, every single one of these that you see, there will be a try now button. Now, if it doesn't say try now, there is a learn more button, which means it's still in development, but soon it will be available to use. You've also got to understand that these are still in the development stage, so they might not function like you would expect them to. So as you go down over here, you can see that there are quite a few experimental AIs. So let us go ahead and let us use this Copilot 3D. This allows you to turn images into 3D models with one click. So let's go ahead and click on try now. It will essentially redirect you to their web experience. On the left, you'll find Labs. And here you can see that there is some inspiration. All right, so these are all very awesome, but for now, what we want to do is upload an image. So let's go ahead and click on upload image. So I've uploaded an image here and it has turned it into a 3D image. Now this is the original image, and what it essentially is doing, it is creating a 3D image. So you can recreate, download, or you can share. But ultimately in here, you can experiment with some of the tools or the experiments that they have created, such as voice chats with portraits, or even the Copilot gaming experience, which is a research demo of the intersection of gaming as well as the integration of AI.